So this article says that XRP's utility will win the decade. XRP's utility will win the decade. Now, I do think that the next major push that we see is going to be more based on things that have utility than the things that don't, right? Meme coins still going to have some success. I'm not throwing any shade at anybody that's investing into meme coins, but I think utility will be a major player in this game, like a huge major player in this game. And we have to look at the largest players to see what their utility will be and if it will have a major impact on this economy. So before we get into this, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to check out my link for BTCC, feel free to do so. This link is in the description. If you use my link, you will get a 10% deposit bonus on your first time deposit. Extra bonuses up to $10,055. And you can enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees. So they have a lot of benefits for people that are signing up, for people that are, a part of BTCC or trading on BTCC. Now, this platform allows you to leverage trade up to a 500x leverage. If you are afraid of leverage trading, make sure that you practice leverage trading, and the way that you do that is with this platform specifically. You can do demo trading. If you go in here and you go up top to this thing that looks like a Nintendo Switch, you go into demo trading, and then you will have a demo trading platform to where you can use $100,000 of fake money to then trade on the real market, right? You're talking about Ethereum, you're talking about BTC, you're talking about XRP, you're talking about many other things there. I'm apparently not logged in right now, so I'm gonna have to re-log in. But that's basically what you can do, is go right on the demo platform and start trading with that demo platform. But feel free to use that link down below. The link will be at the top of the description. Anyways, uh, it's stated that XRP will win the decade. Now, how will that be? When the dust settles and investors start taking profit, the uptrend reverses. Considering this pattern, Claver insisted that utility wins the decade. Specifically, while headlines could push XRP's price up for a day or so, utility has the potential to lift the price for longer periods of time and sustain the upward or the uptrend, which is very true, because a lot of people believe that something like a Shiba Inu will get to these higher prices of $200 billion of a market cap, and then it will hold those prices because of why? It doesn't have any utility. Not to throw any shade on meme coins, but you're looking for those gains. That's specifically what you're looking for. For utility, it holds the prices, right? XRP's value proposition has always centered on its ability to facilitate cross-border payments at a cheaper and faster rate than traditional means. Community figures such as Claver have consistently championed this narrative, arguing that XRP remains highly undervalued when considering its utility and payments. For instance, estimates suggest that banks and financial institutions hold around $10 trillion worth of liquidity for global cross-border transactions. In a June 2025 report, the Crypto Basic presented a response from AI chatbot ChatGPT that the XRP price would rise to $42 if XRP captured just 25% of this liquidity. Notably, this aligns with Claver's suggestion that utility has more important impact on the asset than daily headlines. In closing, the market pundit stressed that investors who have invested in XRP already understand this principle. Essentially, it takes an understanding of the importance of utility to maintain faith in a utility driven token like XRP. However, not everyone believes in XRP's value proposition. For one, when Swift confirmed plans to incorporate blockchain into its financial stack last year, critics argued that the narrative around XRP replacing Swift in the cross-border payments or cross-border sector had collapsed. However, XRP proponents insisted that the development does not threaten XRP's utility. So again, this is something that you look at and you're like, okay, this piece can fit here. And we've been saying this as people that believe in XRP. We've been saying this that XRP will have an easy way to fit into the real world. And not necessarily to say like, oh, something simple as just a transaction based payment, but something as simple as like we can easily use XRP. We can easily use that for cross border payments, and it takes over a $10 trillion market cap. Why wouldn't something that is insanely easy, fast, and efficient take over the majority of the cross-border payment sector, right? If you're housing $10 trillion for daily transactions, right, and you have an easier route to get the money to somebody else, a safe route to get the money to somebody else, an efficient route to get the money to somebody else. Um, did I say cheaper? Right? I don't know if I did, but all of the above. It's just better to get it to another place. Why wouldn't you go with the majority there, which would be, or the main option, the most make sense option, to go with that can work better than anything else that you've done. So with that being said, it can and will take over not only just 25%, but probably a lot more when people get greedy on seeing, how easy, how fast, how efficient, how cheap it is. Then you have more and more of the market share that's being taken up. So I'm not saying it's 100% that's going to happen, but that's the way that it is looking as we go forward. So yes, XRP's utility will win the decade. You don't have Bitcoin's utility winning the decade. You don't have Ethereum's utility winning the decade. What cryptocurrency do you have over XRP that has more of a utility to be implemented in our real world, in our economy, in your economy, in the global economy, the global financial system? What cryptocurrency do you have in its place? Because I don't see any. So, I just recently talked about XRP's price being designed to hit higher prices, being designed to hit a higher level. And this is part of the reason. This is a big part of the reason. So I want to know what you guys think about this. XRP currently stands at about a $2 price point. It's also seeing a decrease today. It just recently got to $2.40, but is retracing with the rest of the market. But I expect to see a lot more growth as the days go on, as the months go on, as we go through 2026 to 2027 to 2028. I expect to see XRP be more and more valuable because its utility is strong. So let me know what you think. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.